My extensive experience in graphic design started 27 years ago. I have been creating functional and beautiful websites since 1999. I have a Bachelor of Fine Arts degree, and I founded my business, Ideally Digital, on one essential idea: to create digital designs that convert to new customers. Hello, my name is Michel Hales, your future web designer. Learning what works and my intimate dedication to my clients grow my business. Every single design project I work on serves one purpose: to create results. Once I start working on your digital art project, functionality and beauty come together on my computer screen. As an elaborate designer, I keep a close eye on the specific purpose of my work. I will find solutions to bring your dreams to reality, and I will hold on to ideas with a strong grip. You are in business to make money, and I create your digital art to make that happen. My mission is twofold. First, to create a website design for you that inspires and converts your visitors to buyers. Second, to be a part of your success. The website I am creating for you is your real-life calling card and a true description of your business that you are dedicated to run successfully. My philosophy is simple. I stay curious during our work together. The more I know about your business and your burning desire to succeed, the better my art for your design develops. I take your brand and intimately develop your website design with your message to your future customers in mind. I create beautiful web designs powered by your inspiration. My method reflects in all my work. Before you call me, please click on the website tab above and see if my style resonates with you. Call me today for your initial consultation. I look forward to working with you to create beautiful designs, ensuring your success.